কলকাতায় বড় ট্রাফিক জ্যাম, ব্যাঙ্গালোরে এরকম হয় না। মুম্বাই very good, Calcutta bad. Okay, I have one, my name is Shubham Mukherjee. It's not a very journalist, okay, I just got this name, Shubham Mukherjee. 1,61,432 connections. Aurinder, how many connections are you? Less. 1,61,432 connections. Coming back to office and saying Kolkata is bad and just writing in the Facebook. And our Chief Minister is in Haldia today working very hard to create an ecosystem. And this one nondescript person from the remotest part of Bengal, just because he or she has the internet and has access to Facebook, will write, Kolkata kichui hoy na. So my urgent and request to everyone, particularly all the people from the colleges, please go and counsel your juniors to be responsible with instruments like Facebook. And I hope Rajneesh would not mind if I say this, when I ask people to be responsible about it. Security. Now, Vikram, please accept this with slightly a pinch of salt. Security is an area of concern. Not why? When somebody goes to buy a computer, they said, you can get it for 20,000 rupees. After some time, it does not work. Sir, you did not install that. Okay, I install A. After again 1 month, there's a problem. Sir, you did not install B. And it goes on. So this is also going as a message to people that they would not like to embrace this industry, and they feel that we don't understand this. I'm sure Vikram and the others who are going to be here as panelists is also going to deliberate on issues by which we can reduce the fine print when we talk about things and be upfront on sharing things. NASSCOM has decided to partner with ISOC and organize, and if Kolkata Police helps on that. Thank you, sir. NASSCOM is going to organize, it has already partnered with Kolkata Police to organize a workshop in Kolkata for 10 very good prominent school students. We are going to take this to districts. We are going to take this awareness program to districts, because why should internet be only in the hands of few? We believe in redistribution model. I'm not talking about leftist economists. I'm only talking about redistribution. We will take this to the districts and make them understand that how the world would become a friendly place for them. I can only say this, and I will also say that a lot of companies have shown interest to come to Bengal. Lot of companies have shown interest to come to Bengal, and they are very, very big names who have shown interest. Another good news that I'm sharing, Shubirda is here. The procurement policy is being thought over by the Department of IT, Government of West Bengal. And I'm sure smaller companies are also going to find their place there. Shubirda, will it be there? I beg your pardon? No, I'm collecting the views to send to you, because I may ask less, you may give more. So there are a lot of things which are happening in the ecosystem. So please, when you leave the room, please also, as you have decided to be inclusive and train one person in something at your home or other places, please train people on this aspect, because nobody knows about this. This is a Brahminical topic. This is a thing which is being discussed in Sanskrit. Can the academicians help us to have things in Prakrit so that we can localize things and take it to the district? Thank you very, very much. I don't know whether I spoke sense or not, but I spoke. So it will show that he spoke. Give him the gift packet, give him the gift. Thank you very much.